Let's take a look at the catalog and everything we can do in it. For those of you not familiar with Zoner Photo Studio, the catalog is located on the left side of the program's interface. The way the catalog works is that you simply add the folders in which you place your photographs normally, and Zoner Photo Studio will automatically preload all of the information about these photos. Thanks to the catalog, searching for specific photographs when you need them later is simple, and they'll pop up almost instantly without any waiting. To elaborate, each photograph contains metadata, which can be, for example, when the photo was created, what lens was used, shutter speed, and so forth. We can also add this data manually, like what is in the photo or who's in the photo, and etc. By just using these parameters, the program will offer several viewing methods of your photos without them sorting or moving themselves into different folders, subfolders, and so on. We can therefore easily view photographs by the date, keywords, and even their physical location of where they were taken on a map. Check out the various keywords I've assigned or have associated with my photographs, like concerts. As you can see, all of my photographs that contain the keyword concert pop up right away. If you like to rate your photographs or plan on starting to use this tool, then you'll appreciate that the catalog allows you to further filter your selection according to the rating. In Zoner Photo Studio, the rating comes in the form of stars. So by moving over here to the quick search bar, I can define by photographs I rated highest to appear in my browser. This could be useful if I'm looking for the best photos for a client, or if I want to use the best photos for a photo book, for example. So besides allowing us to sort and view our photographs, the catalog also allows us to work a lot faster with our pictures, because the moment we import our folder into the catalog, it preloads all of the previews before we actually use them. So for example, if you want to go edit a photo that's in our catalog, it uploads instantly without any waiting, and we don't like waiting. And the same goes for photographs that we've already edited. We can instantly activate them and start working on them immediately. And so that's it for today. Next time we'll dive much deeper into the catalog and some more theory about it. But until next time, see you later and have a good one.